In this video, I'm going to show you one of my all-time favorite hamstring stretch or hamstring mobility exercise. It's called the elephant walks. It's really simple but really powerful, and this is how you do it. So we're going to start by facing an object, and depending on where your hamstring flexibility is will depend on how high this object is. Some people will have no object and they'll have their hands flat on the ground. Other people might be on something a little bit higher like this ottoman, or maybe a little bit lower like these blocks here. Now for demonstration purposes, I'm going to show you on this ottoman. So we're going to lean forward, place our hands on your object. We're going to keep our back reasonably straight if we can. This will just take a lot of stress off the discs and nerves in your lower back. If you have a history of disc issues or lower back pain, having a back rounded like this may be problematic. It may not be, but we want to try and protect it, so keep your back reasonably straight. We're going to have our legs bent like this, and then we're going to alternate by straightening one leg. You'll get a nice stretch up through here. And we're going to straighten the other one. Now when you do this, we want to really concentrate on squeezing this quad, contracting this muscle here, because when we contract this muscle, the muscle at the back will turn off. This is called reciprocal inhibition, and it's just a really great way of getting a lot more bang for your buck when you're doing an exercise like this. So we're going to essentially do around about 20 of these on each leg, and as you get better, we'll be able to get lower to the ground. Now I'm no super flexible person, so I'm not quite at the ground yet, but I've been doing this regularly over the last 3 or 4 months, and I'm getting a lot better than I was. My hamstrings are feeling a lot looser. So if you have tight hamstrings, try this exercise out and let me know in the comments how you found it. And before I go, it's also really important to consider the idea of what I call habits before exercise. You see, there's going to be things that you're doing or habits that you have on a regular basis throughout the day that could potentially be leading you to having these tight hamstrings in the first place. And we can stretch those hamstrings, we can strengthen them, but if we're always doing things that's potentially tightening them up again, then we're going to be going around in circles. So have a look at things like how you're sitting at your desk, how you're sitting in your car, what are you doing if you're watching TV, are we slouching and tensioning the whole system? So just having a think about what are these habits that you have, or what things are you doing that could potentially be irritating in the first place, and then correcting those will allow you to get much better results when you start doing exercises like the elephant walks. So hopefully you found this beneficial. If you did like it, please hit that subscribe button. Otherwise, we'll catch you in the next one.